In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mixpanel Insights. First, open Mixpanel in your browser and head to your project's home. Look toward the top right and choose Create New, then select Insights. Insights is the workspace where you explore events, build metrics, and quickly spot trends. Inside the Insights page, focus on the metrics area. This is where we decide what to measure. Click Select Metrics. You'll see options like Events, Simple Calculations, Funnels, and more. Events help you count or analyze actions users take, such as signups or button clicks. Simple options let you do quick math, while funnels connect multiple steps to show conversion. Pick the type that matches your question. For an event, choose whether you want totals, uniques, or a rate. To compare more than one thing at once, add a second line to your chart. Choose Add Metric to place another metric beside the first, then click to confirm. You'll see another series appear, making side-by-side comparisons easy. Tip: keep metric names clear so you can tell them apart at a glance. Now refine the view so the chart answers your question. Open Filter. Filters include or exclude data based on properties like country, device, plan, or any custom attribute. Add one or two meaningful filters to keep the result focused, and stack filters when you need a narrower slice. Next, open Breakdown. Breakdown split your metric by a property so you can compare segments in one chart. For example, break down signups by platform to see where growth is strongest, or by marketing channel to see which source performs best. If one segment dominates, limit the number of top values to keep things readable. Finally, set the right date range. Choose a window that fits your use case, like last 7 days for recent trends or last 90 days for a broader view. Adjust the interval hourly, daily, or weekly to smooth noise or zoom in on spikes. That's it. You went from opening insights to selecting metrics, adding another for comparison, refining with filters, breaking down by key properties, and choosing a date range that supports your analysis. With these basics, you can answer product questions quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.